175. 1 cedi 75 pesos. Now 2016 NDC for now sabo o my Ghana ika because 12 million liters ena omutiwa omushare that and say aye contaminated. No matter on cheap. Sa foolish boy Bernard Ousuno eka ho or accomplice. When you BNI, National Security, Yoko, they should investigate this boy.
Official report.
One torch. Many never dealing in your because I have a power don't say party. Yeah, money you
party.
Yeah. Now me omo be America, omo ya papa America, omo ya boni America. And then them say won't okay, you kika tribu. One. Enti sa options si ba. Bisa who say e be asipen. Obeto say 12 million liters no. Omo turn 1 cedi. But this time the highest bidder was 90 pesos. And Ohian was look. Say previous year about say no turn 1 cedi dia. And yet on marching 1 cedi na mfama no. Asi ya hanu na director of finance Bekachi and say Obinzwa offer 1.3. No say okay. And ye nipa na ono so yaka 1 cedi nka obetua. Mumma no option say obetimi atua 1.3 dia then ye de bema. Ena o marching say obetua 1.3. The total money is 6.3 million Ghana cedis for at the end of the month. And guy no transfer kwaji 6.4 million Ghana cedis for the company now person on there or makes it. So the difference is 100,000. Obia, you're promising $1 million. Could I want it? Would he take 100,000 cedis? Yamon said, NDC for no, man yet maybe babies with sharp teeth. Amunya Jumada, males in Mahama, causes a umbegoodi, office MPP for that. Opa check most of the background of these ministers and Oma Jumo Maye, Oma track record. Never compare NDC. And the officer Alfred Robini yet, Jamoye. Amen quote is our own suit, NDC for suit to know who far, your coffee from Crassi, every year ministers now, Omba Fumisika Bokana Corona. And two officers are working. The man was promised $1 million. He didn't take it. Because $1 million in Conform Mum, woman come contaminated. Woman, and come back, you may say, me, I don't know him. Me name, sir, you Jose Juan Senor. But I have all this evidence against them. Today I match them, I challenge them, they should come out. I'll bring more details. For me committee to investigate. They say Sakwano or Swa, what the report to be about nobody will accept because Obia, one word to me offer $1 million. Say reverse the decision, you know. How can Boache Jako, the minister, involve him? There will be no fair. That guy should be thrown out completely. He can bring. Yeah. Yeah. Now watching him and never catch them. You should question the guy and let him face me. What do you say? Yeah, Tinaho, and my catch him is NDC fool. Mamma did you want to because he can be a mobile be a normal record. Some foolish boy now or what be as a Ukramatisa or young Guno. Uka Black Party, Matisa or young Guno. Until I not bang before Coran will get oh, can Japan, Adia or Yokwa, you got many flat staff house, my toe Muna. May say, Mutiani. Sabwa, when Tiaman is the Republic against MPP. And someone made the Republic against MPP. Because, say Ibrahim, add your 14 million, your margin. Now, Mom got the boy Nisika. Now, one more could Gananum, say, Mimi to Yavi, Miss Aya, the Republic against MPP. Someone Yesika, my MPP, Mopua. Yebesino. What you say? All these things are going on. Empty and woman yakwan. You buy an static process. A lot of evidence against these people. And this is and I'm all job book. What now 8 years? I book say Juma Papa President for 4 years. Yeah, the book say opposition. You don't learn? Must have the book and then 6 months. And this is for and the detective MPP. The way this country should be run. Omoni Murania, boy. I mean, look at the parliamentarians accepting that they took 100,000. NDC Abanso. Shame onto parliament. Shame. I say a big shame.
Now, so you're part of.
Now you're part. Now we a finance committee. Now when you move, so Bekase, who got 100,000 from National Lottery. Kojo Graham, no. Ibrahim boy. I want also National Lotteries. I'm your uncle here. Minimum how far is that true? Oma sending me text say, or sign the contract to be a man. Uncle or a very bad boy. We're very, very bad boy. You see, we have started dealing with all these people. And in Ukraine, we yentini farmer. Oh, see, I can hear MPP for man class. Yeah, can hear. Now, let me go to MPA. MPA, Hassan, we're a nice guy. But he should not be used. A person wants to say, we're fine. Onye Juma, said yes, young. Omunya power struggle. Whatever decision he's taking today, I'm warning him. Or had Dr. Bawumia future. Media mehu beka. Media mekamacho. Or few say or boy Dr. Bawumia or ha yani support to Dr. Bawumia future. Media, if the public goes against Dr. Bawumia, I'm out. Because I serve my country. I serve MPP, not individuals. All your decision be taken. Now, on flip flop, America for flip flop. Or the way, no, I can't wait. And this if I say, company no, better, you know, registered, registered, but any license. MPA has bought into that idea. What time now? Good. They were companies were 12 March 2015, 45,000 liters in the same way was sold at 1 cedi to a company called Group Limited. 12 March, the same thing, 45,000 liters. When the trial say NDC for a car, almost a boss to go in, not a deal to say no more. I'm sure that's same petrol. Not from trauma or go. Me can you not kind the number of companies, not MPA for and fact what as if said near Alfred Robin and it didn't see that. March 12, 45,000 liters went to Petrocan engine. Sa boy no, stupid boy no, or no tea was say, and you are no, and year 12 March 2015, your man 45,000 liters. A worker at Boston. Monsieur Nea, woman in a day. Send me a action. Kogane Sika. You better put Butrobia. Make a Jabiana for young for police for MPP for because your destiny in your destiny in your. So, woman, you want it. Send you a question. Now, almost friend. MPP Syria call so Munquaya a Yintia Alfred. Woman in Fibia. MPP for Bobunya Jumanya. Graduates. Are you telling me that this guy can't wait me? Jacobium, 30th March, 50,000 liters was sold at 1 cedi to 3K Limited. The same 30th March 2015, 50,000 liters was sold to Dump Truck Limited. 30th March, 100,000 was sold to Rocomens Limited. 30th March, 100,000 for Edi Bonu. Abinachi Company Limited. 30th March, another 100,000 to Translodge Company Limited. 9th April, which means every ABR send your way a cost. Deliberate, now almost first account. Cheap. And nothing like $100 million on account. Na mumu tiro, Emma NDC for we, SN Ness. Everything say hunu. Now, Ahoye Antino, Momo Kodi Womochi to destroy our party. We will destroy MPP for no wooden first. April 9th, 100,000 liters. Bust local union. Now, local union for no more license. Someone say, what tongue? Adiama company only license. Local union from license in Metro. One Jenny, one tongue. Bust local union. May 13th. 50,000 to Dump Truck again, Limited. July 3rd, 100,000 to Multi Investment Limited. August 4th, 50,000 to Kuwait Limited. August 4th, ABM 50,000 to Catlink Company Limited. August 4th, 50,000 Abinachi Company Limited. August 4th, 100,000 Petrocam. That foolish boy. Or no was this an insane cadia. And they said, hey, MPP people should wake up. Omu guya Ghana ban. Said me say me akọ shiro. Me see national security police for munye ready. We'll beat the hell out of this boy. This is the only way we can get our money back. As our president need democracy, and you know, and yet when this going to pony, and yet you go in pony, Kwaku and you the and then answer police officer. Kwaku and you the whole catching and say, on farming council cocaine, me tombi. Na asem deke. The influencer asem deke to say, me talk cocaine. Stupid boy Kwaku and you do. Na foot is a ban. Say the power woman you know and they are dictating the pace to our government. No more to your Jomo bribe Bonisika and time, Cassiba, no more 10,000, no more. We are maybe Bomum Giscari. I shall before. They are destroying our party. They are destroying our party. What do you say? People put their life on the line. A police for Wukumasi. If you know how they help Ashanti region, a sort of for Wukumasi, Yentimema will be a promotion. But NDC for and you are promoting one within all these services. And one more time. One more a boy any migration, the same thing. Adding. If you will be upon your ear and say, on your believing in your ideology, into your mind, you punish them. As a MPP, you had them from say,
you for commercial break. Just after the commercial break.
Mami real, Mabu police, almost 50.
For commercial break.
Now who are you at your boy? Yeah, who is that? Who's a friend of mine who's a